new particular project that is basically a water quality prediction. So this is the one of the most important project for the machine learning algorithm, even for the everyone. Whatever we are just drinking the water, whether that particular water is really a good health for the it is good healthy water or it's really a bad water, whatever. On the basic of there are n number of features, we are going to see this thing in the more details. So first of all, what we are going to start, so I will just divide everything, every topic in the video. So the first, this particular video, we are going to see what the particular project is, what the abstract of this particular project. So in the next particular video we can start the doing the coding for this water quality prediction, and we are going to use at least 6 to 7 algorithm for the machine learning. So water quality prediction is basically it is a safe drinking water is essential to the healthy life. We already know that if we are just going to drink a safe, that is a really a good quality of water, we will have, we can just cure from the so many disease nowadays, because we already seeing that whenever we are going to drink something that is really a bad water, it can just harm our inner part of our body, even for the kidney or whichever part. Okay, so the one of the most important factor is that we consume at least 4 to 5 liter of water every day. At least we have to just consume 4 liter, and that 4 liter we should be just think that that particular water should be a neat and clean, that should be a free of from the whichever whether that is from the higher pH we are just drinking or whatever. So that particular water should be a high quality water. So this is the one of the most important things we are going to see, because the safe drinking water is essential for the healthy life. It is we I have just written this thing here also, and it is the fundamental for the human rights that healthy drinking water is a vital as a health and the development issue. So as we already know that water that nowadays in the lower section, or we can just say in the particular in the rural area, we are just seeing that we are not even checking the water quality, and that's rise that so many diseases were caused for the poor person. So we already know that day to day's life that some person is really poor, and we are just seeing that more diseases are coming to their particular poor person, because they are not going to drink that high quality of water, or even that water quality is really bad, that even drinking a water you can just that particular water can harm your body even for the long time, or even any particular disease can be occur. So we don't know whatever we have. So basically water quality prediction we can just use, we can how we can just determine whether that particular water is a good water, or whether that particular prediction of the water, or that we can just consume that water or not. That we are going to see in much details, and we are going to use this particular all the 7 or 8 to algorithm to find which algorithm is giving us the best result. So this was all about the introduction part. So we are going to use the 7 machine learning algorithm. So we are the first we are going to start with the logistic regression, the second we are going to start with the decision tree, then third is random forest, the fourth is k nearest neighbor, fifth is support vector machine, and sixth is XZ boosting, and the last we are going to see about the ADA boosting. So these are basically a 7 machine learning algorithm we are going to see in much detail in this by using this 7 machine learning algorithm. We will be able to predict whether that particular water is safe, or we can just drink that particular water, and how we can just train our this model, because we will have some data set. This data set we are going to see in the particular in the next video that we are going to import, because already I have just imported this data set, and I will just going to share with you this data set also. This that is a potability that is .csv. So in this you will have so many features, like we can just see you have pH, you have hardness of the water, solids, we have the sulfate, conductivity, organic carbon, and you have so many things. And the last one is basically a potability. So potability is basically your the class, that is your the target, that is basically called, we already seen the pandas which is the features and which is the target. So features are basically this all on the basic of pH, hardness, up to it is going to be turbidity, and after that you this all other features, and this is basically your the target, or we can call as a class also, and we can even call as the level also. And if the level is 0 means that particular water we can't consume. If you have some this on the basic of this feature, the particular if AI algorithm or machine learning algorithm is predicting that potability of that water is 0 means it is not safe for drinking that that water, and if it is going to predict as 1, then it is really safe for drinking water. Means on the basic of how the machine learning algorithm work, we already seen in the introduction part that with the help of machine learning they learn from the data. So first of all, what we are just doing, we have the data. With the help of that data, we are just training our machine learning algorithm. That machine learning algorithm can really work, that can really learn from the complex data, and from that data, if the particular we are going to give these features, on the basic of that feature the model is going to classify whether that particular drinking water, or which drinking water you can even drink or not, or if it is not safe for the health. So we are going to see this thing in the more detail. This was all about the introduction part, about the data set, what we are using, which features we are going to use, and basically why we are using the water quality prediction, because that is really most important for the mainly in the rural section area, because they don't know what quality of water they are going to drink. They simply just take the water from, and they even take the tap water and they are going to drink that water, because it can harm their health issue also. So we can use this particular most of the important things, that we can measure the quality of water. We can train an AI algorithm that can able to see whether particular water is safe for drinking or not. So this is the main major project we are going to do in the whole series. So I'm just going to divide this all the video into a series. So this was the about the introduction part. In this next video we are going to start with the importing the libraries, which library we are going to use for the machine learning algorithm. That's all for this. Thank you.